Hey, Midnight Customs back at it with another one for you guys. So, our friends at ArcCaptain have sent us a gift. Now, you might be familiar with the angle grinder they came out with. Fantastic machine. Love it. So, this is not an angle grinder. They're setting you up with everything you need to do whatever you need to do in your shop. So, what we got here is a brand new 1/2 inch impact. Look at this thing. This thing is beefy. We'll get you in here and check this out. You get a whole kit. You get a 1/2 inch impact, you get a charger, and you get two 20-volt batteries. And check this out. Bam. You got marker lights. Now, these are all metric impact sockets. You got from 19, 17, all the way up to a 24 millimeter. Now you check this thing out. You got power settings. Super easy, just like any standard battery powered. It's brushless. Load her up. Brushless motor. You got your power settings. Got your light. You've even got a belt clip if you want it. Your instructions and your impacts. Now, stay tuned, because we are going to torture test this thing and see how good it is. Midnight Customs, check us out.